I got the kick, yeah. I got the kick, yeah. I got the kick, yeah. Hold up, when you see me, it's a Mitsubishi. It go skrr, it got a stick.
Alright. What's good, TDF crew? Alright, so we're in the pick and pull. Today I got a couple things on my list that I'm looking for. Nothing major. Fuel pressure regulator, evap canister, charcoal canister. Looking for some ECUs, whether I can find a P2 or an OBD1 Honda ECU. Letting got some fresh cars in here, so it's a good sign. It's been a little while since I've been to the junkyard, but I used to see all the same cars. I'm seeing some different ones this time, so hopefully you got something fresh in here that hasn't been completely torn into. So I got about an hour left, so I'm gonna do my best to be out of here in an hour. Bro, when I tell you it's depressing to see stuff like this, 300 CX, T-tops. It's an auto, but still don't look to be in that bad a condition other than like bodywork. It's just here, just rotting away. It's crazy. That was actually my dream first car. I wanted a Nissan 300 ZX. Alright, so we found this here. This 96 right here. Does in fact have, oh, I'm tweaking, that says P2E. I could have sworn it said P2P. Well, I just came back in for nothing because I came back here for that. Let's take a look around real quick, see if there's anything else I can get off of this one. Alright, TDF crew, so basically, yes, it was a bust. Went to the junkyard, walked through the whole thing, didn't find anything. I thought I found the ECU I needed, like you saw. I was just excited to see one actually in the car, read it wrong. When I got the tools, came back, realized it was the wrong one. So, yes, it was a bust. Didn't find anything else. I did find some Integra seats that I almost got, but it had like some cigarette burns in them. And then the driver's seat was like stuck, like the slider was stuck. I wasn't trying to mess with all that. Anywho, so today, I gotta run some errands. I'm actually gonna go to 2 junkyards. I gotta go visit my grandparents, so I'm gonna go to the one on their side, but there's also one a little close to my house that I'm gonna go to. I gotta go pick up some parts. I'm going to be working on the Civic today, finally. Fixing some stuff that needed to be fixed a long time ago. But I'm gonna vlog this junkyard trip and hopefully find what I'm looking for. So basically, just to recap, I don't know if I said it in yesterday's video, I'm looking for a fuel pressure regulator. And the hose that goes to it. I'm starting to think that that's where my evap code is coming from. So looking for that. I'm also looking for the P2P ECU, or any, if I find an OBD1 ECU, even better, but at least a P2P. I am going to keep my eyes out for any Integra seats, Del Sol seats. If they're not too much, I'll go ahead and grab those up too, because I do want to do that swap in the car. So if I find some in good condition, I'll go ahead and scoop those up. It's really a long list, a couple of little small things on the BMW that if I happen to find it, I'll grab that too. And the rest of it's just like whatever I find, if I can use it, go ahead and grab it. But that's what we're getting into today. So like I said, I'm gonna hit 2 junkyards. So first I gotta go to the ATM or 7-Eleven or something and get like $5 out, because it's like a $2 entry fee for each junkyard. I don't have any cash on me. So I get some cash so I can get in instead of using my card and go from there. So first things first, I'm gonna go to the store because I ordered the part. It came in, so I'm gonna go get that ASAP. That's more important than the junkyard. Make sure that's all straight, and then I'll go to the junkyard and stuff. So yeah. All right, y'all. So we went to Napa. We got the part right here in the back seat. That was the first priority. Just went to 7-Eleven, as you can see, literally right, okay, right there. Went to 7-Eleven. Got some cash out for the entry fee into the junkyard. Now I'm about to head to the first junkyard, which is actually like 5-10 minutes down the way. And hopefully we find something there. Another thing I'm looking for is some wheel spacers. Last time I went, they had an Accord with like some pretty decent sized wheel spacers on it. And I should have got them when I was there, but I didn't. So I doubt that same Accord is there. And if it is, I doubt the spacers are still on there. But we're gonna see. A lot of people in this area don't go to that junkyard, so hopefully a lot of that stuff is still untouched and I can find something like that. But that's where I'm headed now. So. One thing about this yard is it's a lot less organized than most in the area. Like I said, a lot of this stuff is untouched or hasn't been as ran through as some of the other yards. So let's see what we can find. We got an Integra right here off the rip. Seats are actually in pretty decent condition. Tan, but that one rip right there, but that's it. These are actually decent. And I was gonna have to respray the seats black anyway, so this might be a move. Let's see if it's, oh, they're fully functional. What about this rail? Yeah, the last one wouldn't even go back. This one's hitting stuff, but it definitely moves. Might be coming back for those. I'm gonna close the door the way because I might be moving today. Let's see if we can find that Accord. RSX here. Still got the K series in there. Seats are gone, but that's to be expected. That's probably the first thing to go. And the Accord right here, the V6 Accord though. Can't get that from my sister's car. TSX. Usually a lot of the imports like the Hondas and Acura over here. So got a wagon over here. See what that is. I'm looking at a Accord wagon. Yep. Alright, so as I suspected, obviously that Accord is long gone. Because when I saw that Accord, it was almost a year ago now. Oh, we got a Civic here. Let's see what we got. The Accord is gone. Let's see what the Civic got on it. Forgot to mention the other thing that I was looking for was the clutch master cylinder, just the cap. I feel like the seal on my cap might be that and it's losing vacuum. But yeah, that thing is stuck. But I ain't gonna find it in there. I'm trying to see if it has a different intake on it though. It might just be pretty sure it's a Y7. A headlight in there. Yeah, looking like a bus. We got an Accord here though. Nothing on this one either. I mean, I don't want to say nothing. There's plenty of stuff here. Just nothing that I need. All right, on to the next, I guess. Next row. I don't think there's gonna be many Hondas on that row. We're gonna check. There's a Accord here. So some Max Peter rods. Another little boy. Might be too much over here though. This is basically all trucks. For a truck either. So I'm gonna go to the first aisle and like actually fish through everything, see if I find anything. Yeah, ain't nothing over here for me. Nothing in the crush section for me either, so I'm gonna go to the first aisle. Alright, so we about to get all the parts of this Integra here. So alright, so basically that Integra has a P75 ECU, which is OBD1 of course, which I need so that I can get it chipped and tuned, and I don't know if I'm gonna do a chip yet, but I actually get an ECU that's tunable, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a P75. They said it's probably gonna be about 25. They really didn't know what I was talking about, but I'm assuming around 25 bucks. This price list says 15, but we're gonna see. They said 25 on the phone. Also, those front seats, according to this price list, those seats are 25 each. Looking at 75 bucks today. So might as well, right? They're here. So parents ain't gonna be too happy about me loading the garage up again, but I don't know what to say. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Simply looking at it right now as much as she finished, and I'm gonna go over there and start wrenching on it and get all I need. So yeah. This lady, she keep asking me to help her take stuff off the cars. Talking to me and stuff. Just talking my head off, bro. I'm like, I'm trying to get this shit out. You need to hurry up and get this out so I can get out of here. Okay, so this is kind of difficult because there's a car right here on the passenger side, so I can't get the passenger door open. So I gotta get everything on the passenger side, the ECU, and this seat from the driver's side. So let me see how this goes. I'm sweating already. I might even go to the other junkyard because money might spend here. I don't need to spend no more money. Just go throw this axle on and go DoorDash or something, make my money back. I ain't figured that out well yet.
You got what? You spray some cleaning stuff on them? They'll clean them real good too.
Yeah.
The stuff you sprayed it for the bathroom. To clean the bathtub. It'll clean them seats off real good. Get your clean rag and wipe it.
Oh yeah.
Go and let it dry.
Grab the seat. Boom. I ain't gonna record this ECU though. Oh, here we go. ECU, got the seats. There we go. Done with this car. I'm gonna cut myself. Actually kind of stings a little bit. We'll get this cleaned up. All this dust I got in it, go get it cleaned up before it get too bad. But yeah, got a score here. Let's go see how much they charge me. All right, so we got the seats, ECU. All came up to $79.50, so $25 for each item. There we go. Somebody trying to charge me $100 just for this set on Marketplace. Just gotta tend to this little cut and figure out how to put these in the car and we're good to go. All right, TDF crew, as you can see, I'm sweaty, I'm dirty. That was a lot of work, but nevertheless, we got the seats. This is the part, if you can't tell, it's an axle. I don't know why I was trying to hide it like a surprise. Got an axle, the car needed an axle a long time ago. So finally got the axle from Napa this morning. Got the two seats back here. Got them laid flat as the best I can find it. Hopefully that metal doesn't hit the window. I should be making hard turns like that. And then I got an ECU tucked in the seat in the back. So I'm good to go. Put a little alcohol, a little hand sanitizer on my cut. Stung like a mug, but gotta do what you gotta do. But I ain't got no band-aids, nothing like that. I ain't sound countries, but I ain't got. Put a little bit of this Carmex on here real quick. But yeah, I gotta go pick my sister up. She's probably ready now, and I'm about a good 20-30 minutes from where she's at. So I'm gonna hurry up and head there. But we scored today. All right, y'all.
Stock X sells by layups.
right here. Just didn't get the seats that. Yeah, the Integra seats have a little bit more bolstering on the sides, holds you in better. The bottom is almost the same as the Civic seats, maybe a little bit more, but it's definitely better here. Honestly, they look better too. And apparently they sit a little bit lower than the regular EK seats. And I wanted my seat to sit a little lower. Just be a lot of dirt on them. Just be a nice little cleanup. I'll probably be dyeing these black. That'll be a whole separate video. But yeah, that's it. So this is gonna sit here for now. Put the ECU in my room so it doesn't get exposed to any elements, anything like that. Yeah.